Out of sight, out of mind. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Out of sight, out of mind. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Many times, we find ourselves overwhelmed by the challenges and obstacles that life throws our way. It becomes easy to get discouraged and lose focus on our goals. However, by adopting the principle of out of sight, out of mind, we can effectively combat these setbacks. The first step is to identify the distraction or negative influences in our lives. Whether it's a toxic relationship, a cluttered workspace, or overwhelming commitments, these factors can cloud our minds and hinder our progress. By intentionally removing these distractions from our immediate environment, we can create a conducive space for growth and success. Once we have eliminated the external distractions, it is crucial to shift our focus towards our goals. This requires setting clear objectives and creating a well-defined plan of action. By keeping our goals at the forefront of our minds and consistently working towards them, we can ensure that we stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked. Out of sight, out of mind also relates to the power of visualization and positive thinking. By visualizing our desired outcomes and cultivating a positive mindset, we can attract the opportunities and resources that will support our journey towards success. This includes practicing gratitude, affirmations, and surrounding ourselves with uplifting and supportive individuals. In conclusion, adopting the principle of out of sight, out of mind can serve as a powerful tool in overcoming obstacles and achieving success in our lives. By identifying and removing distractions, shifting our focus towards our goals, and practicing visualization and positive thinking, we can create a conducive environment for growth and attract the opportunities we need. So let us embrace the power of out of sight, out of mind, and pave our way to a prosperous and fulfilling future. Out of sight, out of mind, the essential key to achieving success. Adopting the principle of out of sight, out of mind can revolutionize the way we approach challenges and pave the way for a prosperous and fulfilling future. By eliminating distractions and negative influences from our lives, we create a clean canvas for growth. Shifting our focus towards our goals and consistently working towards them ensures we stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked. Visualizing our desired outcomes and maintaining a positive mindset attracts the opportunities and resources we need for success. Practicing gratitude, affirmations, and surrounding ourselves with supportive individuals further enhances our journey. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.